lot of software engineers think AI is just another tool, something you use for coding, or debugging, or writing documentation faster. And yes, that's part of it. But engineering leaders are using AI very differently, because when you lead teams, your biggest problems are rarely technical. They're strategic. Communication, hiring, prioritization, decision fatigue, and that's where AI becomes powerful. The best engineering leaders aren't using one AI tool, they're building an AI stack, a system where every tool solves a different problem. One tool helps them think faster, brainstorm architecture, pressure test decisions, challenge assumptions. Another tool helps them communicate better, write design docs, create stakeholder updates, prepare leadership summaries. Another tool helps them learn faster, understand new systems, study technical trends, explore unfamiliar domains. And another tool helps them organize, summarize meetings, capture action items, track team patterns, reduce mental overload. And that's the real shift. Engineering leaders are not using AI to replace their teams. They're using AI to remove friction from leadership itself. Because once decision fatigue drops, clarity improves, communication improves, execution improves, and teams feel it. And over the next few years, the leaders who build these systems may build stronger teams, faster than everyone else. If you're a software engineer, developer, tech lead, founder, or engineering manager, and you want practical AI systems, not hype, subscribe to AI for Builders, because the software engineers learning AI today are building the careers everyone else will chase tomorrow.